What's up guys, we're out here in the shop today. I just finished up the build on this very simple and modern dresser. It's completely out of Baltic birch plywood with exposed edges, except the base. The base is a hardwood. But we've got 3 drawers with undermount soft close slides, and I gotta say, these slides are amazing. Not only are they easy to install, but you don't see them from the side, and it just makes the piece look so much nicer. So in this build, it took me a lot longer than expected, and you may notice in the footage that I start off with almost no beard, and then I have pretty much a full beard when I'm done. So it did take a little bit longer. It's not gonna take you that long if you were to just knock this out. It could probably take one weekend if you really put your mind to it. I just didn't have the time. But also, I filmed this entire build on a GoPro Hero 7, the same GoPro I'm filming with right now. So with that, let's jump into the build. So I did end up making 2 of these dressers at the same time. If you were able to pick up on that in the video, internet high five to you. You're awesome. But making 2 meant I had to make 2 of everything, 2 cuts of everything, double my time. It just slowed me down. But it was worth it because I love how these things turned out. The fit, the finish, the exposed ply, the clean lines, everything about these. I really, really like them. And if you like this video, I'd really appreciate it, a thumbs up. And if you've made it this far without subscribing, subscribe already. Hit that button and turn on the notifications so you know when I upload videos. And until the next one, we'll see ya.